Hi, and welcome to the Books channel. We all know the challenge of reading tough books. Maybe they're filled with complex economic theories or deep psychological concepts. You've probably found yourself thinking, I can't get through this, after just a few pages. It's a common feeling, whether you're just starting out or a seasoned reader. Today, we'll show you how to use a BOOX ePaper to break down those difficult books into manageable stages, helping you get the most out of your reading experience. First, let's take a look at the reading funnel. This model breaks reading challenges into 4 stages: engage, identify, comprehend, and articulate. You can stop at any stage based on your reading goals. Stage 1. Quick scan and engage. Start by diving in and reading without worrying about remembering every detail. The goal here is to get a general sense of the material. This relaxed, low-pressure speed reading will help you ease into the flow and start absorbing the content. At this stage, BOOX ePaper's eye-friendly screen lets you read for long periods without eye strain, keeping you focused. For heavy academic tomes, our Note Air 4C is a good option. For lighter self-improvement books, the portable Palma is ideal for you to read anywhere. Use spare moments, and you'll be surprised at how much reading you get done. Stage 2. Highlight to identify. Now that you have a basic understanding from your quick scan, it's time to slow down and focus on the sections that matter most to you. Following the SQ3R method, reading with questions in mind keeps your brain engaged and sharp. Think back to what you wanted to know more about and mark up the answers. If it's in an academic paper, highlight the main points, arguments, and conclusions. Our native reading app, NeoReader, offers lots of useful features. You can circle to highlight or underline, and then filter them in the Annotation tab. Plus, NeoReader opens 20 document formats, so no need to switch apps or convert files. With the key information sorted from the previous stage, you're ready for Stage 3, Write to Comprehend. Now, take the time to dive into those highlighted sections and jot down notes to reinforce your understanding. Putting things into your own words helps you understand better. You can write a quick comment on the author's point or try a 3-sentence summary of what you took away from the book or chapter. Our NeoReader lets you tweak the margins and spacing in reflowable documents like EPUBs. So you can have room to write. And for PDFs, you can just insert a blank page for notes and use Scribble to Erase to quickly remove mistakes. If you've completed the first 3 stages, you've already had a productive read, and you can stop there. But if you're still buzzing with these ideas, it's time for Stage 4. Articulate your thoughts. Turning those scattered thoughts into solid insights helps build strong connections between new and existing knowledge. You can write a summary, review, or report. And with the split screen feature, you can have your book on one side and your notes on the other. Plus, the paper-like writing experience on BOOX feels amazing. BOOX devices run on an open Android system and have a built-in Google Play Store, so you can write your stuff on your preferred apps and share it with others. Reading difficult books takes time and effort, but the rewards are definitely worth it. The satisfaction you get is on a whole different level compared to mindless scrolling. The key is setting clear goals, breaking things down, and using the right tools. Stick with it, and you will definitely see results. That's all for today. See you next time.